The Farberware 3-piece kitchen cutting board set is a valuable addition to any kitchen offering functionality and durability to enhance your cooking experience. Crafted by Farberware, a trusted brand in kitchenware, these cutting boards are designed to meet the needs of both amateur chefs and culinary experts. Made from high-quality wood, these cutting boards boast a natural color that adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. The set includes 3 boards of varying sizes: a large board measuring 11 inches by 14 inches, a medium board measuring 8 inches by 10 inches, and a small board measuring 5.5 inches by 8 inches. This range of sizes allows you to choose the ideal board for different tasks, from slicing fruits to preparing meats. One standout feature of this set is its reversible design, providing you with double the cutting surface while also aiding in preventing cross-contamination of food. The rectangular shape of the boards offers ample space for cutting and preparing.
The Farberware large cutting board is a reliable addition to any kitchen. Crafted by Farberware, a trusted brand in kitchenware, this cutting board offers a spacious surface area of 14 inches in length, 11 inches in width, and 0.5 inches in thickness. The board's rectangular shape provides ample space for various food preparation tasks. Constructed from high-quality synthetic material, this cutting board is designed to withstand daily kitchen use. Its non-porous surface prevents the absorption of odors and liquids, ensuring food safety and easy cleanup. The board is dishwasher safe, making maintenance a breeze. One of the standout features of the Farberware large cutting board is its practical design. The board comes with a built-in handle, allowing for convenient transportation and storage. Additionally, it is reversible, providing 2 cutting surfaces for added versatility. Whether you are slicing, dicing, or chopping, this cutting board delivers reliable performance.
The Farberware plastic cutting board is a reliable and essential addition to any kitchen. Crafted by the reputable brand Farberware, known for quality kitchen products, this cutting board comes in a crisp white color that complements any kitchen decor. Measuring at 10.04 inches in length, 8.07 inches in width, and 0.2 inches in thickness, this rectangular cutting board provides ample space for all your cutting and chopping needs. Made from durable plastic, it offers a sturdy surface that is gentle on knives, ensuring longevity for both your board and kitchen tools. One of the standout features of this cutting board is its dishwasher-safe design, making cleanup a breeze. Simply toss it in the dishwasher after use, and it will be ready for the next meal preparation. The included 8 into 10-inch cutting board is a versatile size ideal for everyday kitchen tasks. Whether you are a seasoned chef or a home cook, this Farberware plastic cutting board is a practical and functional tool that will.
The Farberware non-slip bamboo cutting board by Farberware is a versatile and reliable addition to any kitchen. Crafted from high-quality bamboo, this cutting board offers a perfect blend of durability and elegance. With product dimensions measuring 14L into 11W into 0.6 C, this rectangular cutting board provides ample space for various cutting tasks. Its non-slip feature ensures stability during use, enhancing safety and precision while chopping, slicing, or dicing your ingredients. This bamboo cutting board is not only functional, but also easy to maintain with its dishwasher-safe quality. The natural bamboo material is not only environmentally friendly, but also gentle on knives, preserving their sharpness over time. Whether you are a professional chef or a passionate home cook, this Farberware cutting board is a must-have kitchen essential. Its 2.2-pound weight strikes the perfect balance between sturdiness and portability, making it convenient to use on any countertop.
I recently had the opportunity to test the KitchenAid Classic plastic cutting board, and I must say I was thoroughly impressed with its quality and performance. This cutting board, in a sleek white-gray color, is a perfect addition to any kitchen setting. The dimensions of 13.98 L into 11.02 W into 0.59 C are ideal for various kitchen tasks, providing enough space for chopping, slicing, and dicing ingredients with ease. The use of durable plastic material ensures long-lasting durability, making it a reliable tool for everyday cooking. One notable feature of this cutting board is its non-slip design, which provides stability during food preparation, enhancing safety in the kitchen. The rectangular shape offers ample surface area for food prep activities, making it versatile for different types of cutting tasks. Keeping this cutting board clean is hassle-free, as it requires hand washing only. The lightweight design, weighing just 1.94 pounds, makes it easy to handle and store when.
The Freshware bamboo cutting boards for kitchen are a versatile and eco-friendly addition to any culinary space. This set of 3 cutting boards is designed to provide a durable and sustainable surface for all your food preparation needs. Crafted from high-quality bamboo, these cutting boards are not only sturdy but also gentle on your knives, ensuring that they remain sharp for longer. The natural bamboo material is known for its antimicrobial properties, making it a hygienic choice for handling various types of foods. With dimensions of 11L into 8.5W into 0.4, these rectangular cutting boards offer ample space for chopping, slicing, and dicing ingredients. The set includes 3 different sizes, catering to various cutting tasks in the kitchen. One standout feature of these cutting boards is their eco-friendliness. Bamboo is a renewable resource that grows quickly and requires minimal water and pesticides to thrive, making it a sustainable choice for environmentally conscious consumer.
Freshware. Cutting board set of 3. Juice grooves with easy grip handles offers a practical and versatile solution for all your kitchen cutting needs. The set of 3 plastic cutting boards in varying sizes, 16L into 9.8, W into 0.3, are designed for efficiency and ease of use. The Freshware cutting boards are made from high-quality durable plastic that is non-porous and easy to clean, making them a hygienic choice for food preparation. The built-in juice groove feature helps to contain liquids from meats, fruits, or vegetables, ensuring a mess-free cooking experience. One of the key highlights of this product is the easy grip handles that provide a secure and comfortable hold, enhancing stability and control while cutting. Additionally, the cutting boards are reversible, allowing you to maximize their use and minimize the risk of cross-contamination. Moreover, the lightweight and heat-resistant nature of the cutting boards make them an ideal choice for every day.
The OXO Good Grips 2-piece plastic cutting board set stands out as a smart addition to any kitchen. Designed by OXO, a reputable brand known for quality kitchen products, this set comes in a clear color and boasts a rectangular shape, making it versatile for various cutting tasks. Made of durable plastic, these cutting boards are dishwasher safe, ensuring easy cleaning and maintenance. The non-porous and reversible feature of the boards further enhances their functionality, making them suitable for cutting vegetables and fruits. With product dimensions of 1L into 8W into 5T and a weight of 2 pounds, the OXO Good Grips cutting board set offers a practical and user-friendly solution for your kitchen needs. Whether you are a professional chef or a home cook, these cutting boards provide a reliable and efficient platform for food preparation. In conclusion, the OXO Good Grips 2-piece plastic cutting board set combines quality craftsmanship, functionality, and ease of use, making it valuable.
The Winco CBWT 1218 cutting board, with its sleek white design and durable synthetic material, is a reliable addition to any kitchen. Measuring at 18 LX 11.88 WX 0.5 T, this rectangular cutting board offers ample space for preparing a variety of ingredients. Its non-porous feature ensures food safety, while being dishwasher safe makes cleaning a breeze. Ideal for cutting fish, cheese, vegetables, bread, and meat, this cutting board is versatile and perfect for daily use. The reversible design allows for extended use, while its long-lasting quality provides value for money. At 3.3 pounds, this Winco cutting board strikes a balance between sturdiness and portability. Included in the package is the Winco CBWT 1218 cutting board, offering a convenient solution for your kitchen needs. Whether you are a professional chef or a home cook, this cutting board is a practical and stylish addition to your culinary arsenal.